All human beings' progress comes from our explorer of the future. The development of science and technology narrows the distance between reality and dream. The invention of sewing machine brings flying wings for the development of garment industry. Nowadays, sewing machine is coming into an era of Industry 4.0, moving forward towards automation, intelligence, and a high degree of information integration, which greatly promotes the industrial transformation and upgrading.
Shunfa
Sewing machine, walking in the forefront of sewing equipment technology and quality through their own insight and accurate positioning of the market, with great concentration to temper for 2 decades. Adhering to the concept of diamond quality, share in world, it keeps improving the business system of sewing machinery research and development, intelligent processing, quality control, marketing and after-sales service. Shunfa regards quality as the survival foundation of an enterprise, pursuing humanized high-standard design. With international advanced manufacturing equipment and testing arts,
Shunfa
finally crafts each machine with 0.01 mm manufacturing precision. Each machine is deeply branded with
Shunfa
quality since its birth. It optimizes the product parts to ensure the interactive balance of each part.
Shunfa
Has eventually succeeded in creating high-quality products, mainly including high-speed computerized lock-stitch sewing machine series, high-speed overlock sewing machine series, high-speed interlock sewing machine series, bag closer machine and special sewing machine. The annual output of Shunfa sewing machine is 350,000 sets. As a well-known enterprise with steady development,
Shunfa
deeply understands that talents are the sources of enterprise development.
Shunfa
Introduces and selects a large number of professional technicians and management staffs, improving the business skills of staff and quality of team management in order to better create values for clients and gather strength for the company's sustainable development.
Shunfa
Always insist on the value orientation of creating first-class quality and first-class brand since the beginning of the business. Having passed the certification of ISO 9000 Quality Management System and European CE. The brand
Shunfa
was rated as China Famous Brand, Potential Brand's Top 10 Sewing Machine for user selection, and Chinese Famous Brand Product of high quality for its excellent quality. Since 2010,
Shunfa
has kept its spectacular performance of top 10 in this industry for many years, which is part of glory and part of responsibility.
Shunfa
Take complementary advantages with many other famous companies, cooperating for a win-win situation.
Shunfa
Continuously seek for the way of marketing development from over 300 agents nationwide, agents and business organizations from more than 40 countries and regions worldwide. Letting more clients enjoy the delicate sewing machine from Shunfa Machine.
Shunfa
Deeply understands that what the clients need is not only the products, but the services as well. Therefore,
Shunfa
together with its strategic distributors, jointly make brand promotion strategy, perfect after-sales service system, set up various service platforms, regularly organize related meetings and training, listen to the demands from clients, positively responding and perfecting the improvement. In the future, we keep adhering to the core concept of diamond quality, share in world. Developing towards a high find and sharp destination.
顺发
Spares no effects to develop this enterprise into the world's first-class intelligent sewing equipment research and manufacturing base. Finally realizing the great dream of Shunfa brand being found at anywhere with human beings. Diamond quality, share in world.